All right, what we're looking at here is a home-based hobby system called aquaponics. Aquaponics is a merger between aquaculture, the culturing of fish or other aquatic organisms, and hydroponics. What we have down here is our fish. We have two beds. One is a raft system, that's a floating bed that just sits in there on a base of water, and the other one's a substrate bed that has just rock wool cubes that I actually just seed into. And what's happening here is we're taking the water, recycling it up to these two beds, and then they filter back into the fish tank. The fish waste is the food source for the plants. And this is converted through a process of nitrification, just ubiquitous bacteria that occur in the air. They convert the food, the waste, fish waste, to plant food. The plants eat the food, return the water back to the tank. Anybody can get into aquaponics. You can buy commercial systems or hobby systems, but it's really easy to repurpose, reuse just local resources. This is just a split 55-gallon food grade drum. Everything has to be food grade because you are growing food. This 100-gallon aquarium was purchased online from Craigslist. The only thing that was purchased new out of this whole system was the water heater, the air pump, and the water pump. You need something to hold your fish in. You can use a fish tank, preferably something that is food safe, food grade, so you don't want to use anything made of concrete, anything that's going to leach any plastics, anything that's a concern that's going to be in the fish source or the plant source. So you need a fish tank. You need plumbing to deliver the water to your grow beds. You need some material inside your grow beds as a substrate for your plants to grow in. You can buy commercially grade stuff such as Hydroton. You can use river rock that is lime free. You can use lava rock. You can use perlite. There's numerous other substrates you can source locally or repurpose for that as well. If you don't want to use a substrate, you can also just make rafts. So you can buy the styrofoam material from Lowe's, cut holes into it, and just plant your plants into the plugs, and they'll go straight into the water. You'll need a pump to deliver the water to these tanks. The plumbing delivers it back to the tank, and then an air pump and some air stones. And a water heater if you're growing tropical fish. But first of all, it's a great science project for kids because it teaches a lot of different disciplines. There's a lot of biology that goes in here, a lot of chemistry that goes into this, a lot of just hydrology. There's a lot of things that kids can get really excited about. For home preppers or urban homesteader, myself, it's a great way to grow food year-round.